Check it out, we right back at it again. Still doing our thing in regards to the kitchen. Hello, it's your boy Rick. Back with my dudes, aka Teresa, in the kitchen. Cooking some more yummy stuff, excuse my phone. Right now, it's a beautiful afternoon. You know, we're just sitting back in the kitchen. We're gonna make something real quick and easy for the whole family to enjoy. So, right now, I'm gonna introduce you guys to something neat that my mom made up. And that's, what is it again, Mom?
The pigs in the blanket, but I didn't make them up. They've been around for a long time. We just added our twist to it. Okay. And what is the name of it again? Pigs in a blanket. Pigs in a blanket, but this with the extra twist is your favorite meat, bacon. Bacon, yep. Let's get it started. All right.